Alright, so the expenses and incomes are related with our income statement. So that's what I'm going to change the place expenses in other side. So if it is expenses going to other side, it will be the minus, right? So the accounting equation we can create asset equal liabilities plus capital plus income minus expenses. After that, I have developed the asset. Asset is two type, liability is two type. So the current assets plus fixed assets equal to long term liabilities plus current liabilities plus capital plus income minus expenses. So we can create the accounting equation based on our double entry system. I hope that you understand well. Now we are going to look at the practical example double entry system with the account types. I have given the example 5 example with each account types. So the first one, asset. Example is case purchase for computer 25,000. So if we purchase computer, what will happen? We have to create two accounts. The first one cash, other one is computer. If it is case purchase computer, computer increase, case decrease because we pay the case. So the computer increase, case decrease, and computers and case are asset account. What is the double entry? If the asset increase, debit. If the asset decrease, credit. So which asset increase? Computer asset increase. So computer account debit 25,000. Which asset decrease? Case asset. So case account credit 25,000. So the narration is being case purchase for the computer, right? Okay. So the second example is liability. The example is both goods from Asker company 30,000. If it is name mentioned, it means the credit purchase or credit sales. So if we bought the Asker company should credit purchase. So creditors, Asker company is the creditors. It means we say that we will pay in the future, right? So there are two accounts involved with these transactions. One is credit purchase account, other one is Asker account. Credit purchase account is expenses. If we purchase, this is the expenses because it is the incurred for the revenue, right? So that's what it is, the expenses. Asker account is a creditors because we say that we will pay in the future, right? So this is the current liability. So liability increase, expenses increase. So if it is expenses increase, what will happen? If it is expenses increase, debit, liability increase, credit. So the double entry system is credit purchase account debit 30,000 because expenses increase. Asker account credit 30,000 because liability increase, being both goods are from Asker company, right? Okay. So the next one is capital account. Capital example, capital account type example. Owner withdraws money for personal use 35,000. Alright. So the owners withdraw, we say that drawing, right? Drawing account, it's come under the capital account, and drawing account it's decrease for the capital account. And if the money taken from the company, cash account decrease, it means cash decrease. So the double entry system is, if it is capital decrease, what will happen? Debit. So drawing account debit 35,000. The case decrease, this is the asset account, so if it is asset account decrease, it's a credit. So case account credit 35,000, right? So the impact you should understand first. First you need to understand what is increase, what is decrease, right? Then we have to enter the double entry. Double entry should, first we have to be write the debit, then we have to write the credit. So the narration is being owners withdraw money for the personal use 35,000. The next one is income type of example. Case sale 60,000. If it is case sales, case it will come to the organization. So case increase, it means asset increase. The sales also increase, it means income increase. So if it is case increase, it's a debit. Sales increase, it's a credit, because income increase is a credit. So double entry is cash account debit 60,000, sales account credit 60,000, being cash sales 60,000. First you have to be taken what is increase, what is decrease, and what are the type, those account, right? Okay. The final one is expenses type of account. The example is rent paid 7,000. If we rent paid 7,000, the case decrease, right? Case decrease and rent increase. Rent, it's a expenses increase. Cash account is asset decrease because it has gone. So the double entry is rent account debit 7,000 because expenses increase. Case account credit 7,000 because the asset decrease, being rent paid 7,000. So the double entry system with the account type is a very important. If you understand clearly about the double entry system, you can easy to work with accounting. So I hope that you understand well.